Welcome to English Literature, UGC NET. Here we are going to discuss most important questions for UGC NET exam. I hope this session will be helpful for you. If you are new to our channel, please do subscribe and don't forget to like and share the video. Let's start. First question. The Inheritance of Loss by Kiran Desai won the Man Booker Prize in A. 2004, B. 2006, C. 2008, D. 2010. Right answer is option B. 2006. Next question. Who among the following is known for the poetry collection Relations? A. R. Parthasarathi, B. Jayanta Mahapatra, C. A. K. Ramanujan, D. K. K. N. Daruwalla. Right answer is option C. A. K. Ramanujan. Next question. Who wrote the experimental novel The Calcutta Chromosome? A. Upamanyu Chatterjee, B. Salman Rushdie, C. Amitav Ghosh, D. Arundhati Roy. Right answer is option C. Amitav Ghosh. Next question. Which novel by Jhampa Lahiri features a boy named Gogol? A. Interpreter of Melodies, B. The Namesake, C. Unaccustomed Earth, D. Whereabouts. Right answer is option B. The Namesake. Next question. Which Indian English poet wrote the long autobiographical poem Rough Passage? A. R. Parthasarathi, B. Dom Morais, C. Adil Jashawa, D. K. K. N. Daruwalla. Right answer is option A. R. Parthasarathi. Next question. The novel English, August, An Indian Story is by A. R. K. Narayan, B. Arundhati Roy, C. Upamanyu Chatterjee, D. Chetan Bhagat. Right answer is option C. Upamanyu Chatterjee. Next question. In The God of Small Things, the twins' names are A. Ammu and Stha, B. Rahel and Velutha, C. Stha and Rahel, D. Sophie and Ammu. Right answer is option C. Stha and Rahel. Next question. The Serpent and the Rope by Raja Rao is a novel of A. Colonial resistance, B. Religious awakening and self-realization, C. Dalit politics, D. Feminist protest. Right answer is option B. Religious awakening and self-realization. Next question. The poem Obituary by A. K. Ramanujan is mainly about A. A famous political figure, B. The death of the poet's father, C. A religious leader, D. A mythological character. Right answer is option B. The death of the poet's father. Next question. Which novel by Shashi Deshpande deals with gender roles and marital conflict? A. Roots and Shadows, B. Clear Light of Day, C. Fire on the Mountain, D. A Matter of Time. Right answer is option A. Roots and Shadows. Next question. Arvind Adiga's The White Tiger explores A. Urban love story, B. Class struggle and social mobility, C. Indian mythology, D. Indian folklore. Right answer is option B. Class struggle and social mobility. Next question. The Glass Palace by Amitav Ghosh is set in A. Afghanistan, B. Sri Lanka, C. Burma and India, D. Pakistan. Right answer is option C. Burma and India. Next question. Who wrote Night of the Scorpion, a famous Indian English poem? A. Jayanta Mahapatra, B. Nisam Ezekiel, C. Kamla Das, D. Dom Morais. Right answer is option B. Nisam Ezekiel. Next question. Coolie by Mulk Raj Anand is a novel about A. A peasant woman, B. A Brahmin priest, C. A young boy's exploitation under colonial rule, D. An Indian soldier in Pratham Vishwayuddh. Right answer is option C. A young boy's exploitation under colonial rule. Next question. My Son's Father is a novel written by A. Dom Morais, B. Kiran Nagarkar, C. Khushwant Singh, D. Neeraj C. Chaudhary. Right answer is option B. Kiran Nagarkar. Next question. Which writer used the pen name Madhavi Kutti? A. Arundhati Roy, B. Kamla Das, C. Meena Alexander, D. Toru Dutt. Right answer is option B. Kamla Das. Next question. The poem Hunger by Jayanta Mahapatra reflects A. Celebration of nature, B. Romantic love, C. Poverty and sexual exploitation, D. Devotional spirituality. Right answer is option C. Poverty and sexual exploitation. Next question. The Shadow Lines by Amitav Ghosh explores A. Partition and national identity, B. The caste system, C. Women's emancipation, D. Environmental issues. Right answer is option A. Partition and national identity. Next question. Which work of fiction opens with the line, To call woman the weaker sex is a libel. A. The god of small things. B. A room of one's own. C. The thousand faces of night. D. The binding vine. Right answer is option C. The thousand faces of night. Next question. Yayati is a play by which Indian English writer? A. Girish Karnad. B. Vijay Tendulkar. C. Mahesh Dattani. D. Badal Siraka. Right answer is option A. Girish Karnad. Question for you. The protagonist of Feasting is A. Anita. B. Uma. C. Dolly. D. Rahel. Submit the right answer below in the comment box. Thanks for watching till end. Do like, share and subscribe the channel. Stay tuned, we will meet tomorrow with another important session.